Hello, Spencer with Townline Equipment, Plainfield, New Hampshire. We're back with our BX23s, but as you can see, it no longer has a bucket on the front or a backhoe on the back. We now have a Lampride Grapple on this machine and a Lampride chipper also. We're going to do some projects around our garden here to get a little bit more light in. We'll be using the chipper to get rid of the debris and the Grapple to move it around. Whenever you operate a rear implement that requires the back PTO, but you're not sitting in the operator's seat, there's a couple of steps you need to take because these seats are equipped with an operator's presence switch, so somebody has to physically be in the seat for that PTO to run. On the BX23s, it's pretty simple. You just flip the seat forward and that makes your operator switch not present. With the 23S, there's a couple extra steps. You have to put your seat into the backhoe position in order to run any rear implement. So the first step to do is to take your front latch, pull your seat up. It helps to tilt the back forward. And then we rotate it. And then it'll latch. And once you've done that, you can now run your rear implement without being in the seat. This Lampride WC1504 chipper is essentially rated for 4 inches and below. It's a great little unit. It does have many features like the adjustable black stands right here on the bottom. So depending where you want your chute height to be when you're working, you can unbolt those and adjust it. Its chute here does rotate 360 degrees, and the rear feeder chute does have a transport position to make it more compact, whether you're going down the road or storing it in your barn. Something that is mandatory when using this is hearing protection and eye protection. And always refer to your manual if there's anything you're uncertain of. If this video has generated questions about Kubota's BX23 or Lampride's chipper, please reach out to our sales department at Plainfield, New Hampshire or Pittsford, Vermont. If you are interested in seeing what other implements we carry, such as these 78-inch Bradco grapples or the 7-inch Wallenstein chipper here with me, visit our website at townlineequipment.com. Next week, we'll be comparing rear rotary mowers and rear finish mowers in a meadow. Thank you. Have a good day.